JPEG versus RAW. Let's get right into it. A RAW file is essentially a digital negative. And with a digital negative, you can revert back to its original state. So any changes you make, you can go back and make it even better if you want, or even just go back and just put it back to normal. With a JPEG file, you can't do that. So that's why it's always important to shoot RAW. With RAW files, you need to use specific software, such as Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Lightroom. I use Lightroom all the time for my photography, and it's the best way to use your RAW files. Even if you don't use RAW right now, take them and save them. That's all for this week's tip. Fly safe.